Good morning, my dear students of 7th standard. Today we are going to read the chapter number 7, that is the beauty of the communal harmony. My dear students, in India we say that unity in diversity. Unity in diversity means अनेकता में एकता. Means in India, different people with different language, different religion, different culture, different race and caste living. So this is the most attractive quality of the Indian society, that in Indian society there is unity in diversity. Different type of people are living in the different areas of the India with different beliefs, customs, way of living, etc. So my dear students, we can say that this is the real beauty of the Indian society. My dear students, you imagine the world where all the people are alike. How boring it would have been our life. If we take the example of a garden, if garden will be having a same type of a flower, then that garden will not be beautiful and it will not attract other peoples to come in. So in society, if same type of people will be living and all will follow same type of tradition and culture or religion, the life will be boring in society. So my dear students, India is a vast country with unity in diversity. It has a different type of people living in it, which speaks different languages, which have different culture, and they follow different customs also. So this is the beauty of the Indian state. My dear students, if my dear students, there is another side of this beauty. The chances of clashes between different groups are very high in such society. If we are not careful, we will end up in the dangerous conflict. We should take all the precautions to avoid such clashes. So, my dear student, you imagine a religion. First of all, you must be knowing what is religion. Religion is a path to reach the Almighty God. And in India, we have different religions. Means there are different ways or paths which leads to God. So it does not matter which way we take to reach Almighty. The important thing is that we reach the destination taking different routes or by following different religions. All religions are सेम, सो दे शुड बी ट्रीटेड इक्वली. हर एक धर्म को आप एक जैसा ही समझो. कोई भी धर्म बड़ा छोटा नहीं है, कोई भी धर्म किसी तरह का कुछ गलत उद्देश्य नहीं देता. सभी धर्म परमात्मा के पास पहुंचने के अलग अलग रास्ते हैं. सो देयर शुड नॉट बी एनी कॉज ऑफ डिसकंटेंटमेंट. All people, though belonging to different religion, should live in peace and friendship. It means जो भी लोग हिंदुस्तान में रहते हैं, अलग अलग धर्मों को मानते हैं, वो सभी एक दूसरे के रिलीजन की रिस्पेक्ट करें, पीस में रहें, सभी लोगों में फ्रेंडशिप रहे. सो इफ़ इट विल बी लाइक दिस, अगर ऐसा होगा तो देन ओनली आवर कंट्री कैन डू प्रोग्रेस. हमारा देश तब ही तरक्की कर पाएगा. पीपल शुड रिस्पेक्ट द बिलीफ एंड प्रैक्टिस ऑफ अदर्स ऑल्सो. हमें दूसरों धर्मों की इज्जत करनी चाहिए और दूसरे धर्मों को भी रिस्पेक्ट देना चाहिए. सो देन ओनली आवर कंट्री कैन डू प्रोग्रेस इन द डिफरेंट फील्ड. So my dear students, you know that our country is divided into different states. So why these divisions are there? Only for administration necessity. It does not mean that we can discriminate on the basis of race, religion, state or the mother tongue. We all are Indian. So the spirit of unity help us to advance in life. If there will be no unity, the country cannot progress. That is why there is a small divisions of the country into states. And we should also follow the policy of give and take policy. If you will give respect to others, others definitely will give you respect too. And if you will forgive others mistakes, They will also forgive you if we will try to follow this give and take policy. We will live in the society which will cooperate with each other. We can live in peace and harmony, and this peace and harmony can bring our nation's progress. So, my dear students, always remember that unity is strength. Always remember this truth that united we stand, divided we fall. So, Mother Teresa has said that I can do anything which you cannot. You can do the things which I cannot. Together we can do great things. Means if we will live together, we can take our country into great progress. So, my dear students, with this, your chapter is over. Read the chapter thoroughly and try to find out the exercises. Thank you.